Hi, I'm Ron Gilbert, and I'm the owner here at Glacier Automotive in Valdez, Alaska. Glacier Automotive is proudly veteran-owned, and we provide glass replacement, repair, electronics, and accessories. We get a lot of windshields that need repaired. We offer the repair service as well as replacement. If somebody comes in with a light on their dash, we're able to diagnose that. We specialize in accessories such as WeatherTech mats, vent shades, window film, car audio. We see a lot of auto starts. It seems to be a necessity more than a luxury. Safety is paramount in Alaska. We also offer light upgrades from your factory headlights to LED. My favorite is light bars, I'd say. I really enjoy doing a custom install where it's clean, making that vehicle change appearance, but also providing a safety feature that someone can use to be able to drive in confidence. If you wanted some accent lighting, we have the ability to do that as well. We're the only business that provides a glass service, auto starts, and accessories that are available in town. I love doing business in Valdez because it provides a great service for the community, and this is my home.